It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I am back. Check it out. I'm adding a little Halloween in today. I have my Wednesday Nevermore Academy sweatshirt on. I like this sweatshirt. It's so comfortable. I actually got this at Spirit Halloween. I think it was $39, but it's like a really thin material and it's really comfortable. I'm like, this is going to be my sweatshirt for the next like couple of weeks. This even goes like beyond Halloween because Wednesday season 2 is coming soon. I don't know when, but I'm so excited. So I'm super happy I got my comfy sweatshirt. I also got my Victoria's Secret haul today, and I'm going to dig into this. I don't have anything to open this with. I'm using my thumbnail, which is a bad idea. You know that's a bad idea. So at Victoria's Secret, oh my gosh, I got scissors. I got my scissors. Everything comes in these little boxes, which I kind of like and I kind of don't. They're kind of a pain to open. So first up, wow, these are pretty. I gotta say, I like the packaging. The first one is called Sunslope, but it's textured. It looks like little snowflakes on here. I ran into Victoria's Secret the other day when I was at Bath & Body Works, and I didn't even really notice the packaging that much. I actually picked up the cream for the chocolate mint one, put it on really quick, and then left because the line was really long. And I liked it. But Sunslope is icy coconut and amber. Arctic coconut freezes, amber and musk, exploring the sunlit mountains. I wonder if this is like coconut, frosted coconut snowball. We're gonna find out. Yeah, this is totally frosted coconut snowball, which is interesting. So if you like the Victoria's Secret collection, you might want to try that. I don't know, some people like Victoria's Secret better than Bath & Body Works. Other people like Bath & Body Works. A lot of times their fragrances cross over, even though they're not owned by the same company anymore. Okay, so Coco started barking just as I was looking in my next box. Oh my goodness, Victoria's Secret, what you doing? I didn't order this. It's the Happy Nation body lotion. And oh my gosh, I hate when they do this. I see mist, 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 mist. I'm supposed to have 4 mists, and they snuck a body lotion in here. I'm gonna cry if they didn't give me the chocolate and mint one, because that's really why I did the entire order. Seriously. Oh no. Oh no. I got Night Sip. Violet Petals and Champagne. This one is Champagne Bubbles, Light Up Violet, and Cedarwood. Taking in the Night. I really hope this is my mint one, because if they didn't give me mint, that's the whole point of the video. Oh my goodness. This has got kind of a Winterberry Wonder vibe to it. I gotta say though, I love the purple. The purple's beautiful. Not a bad scent, but these are really, really pretty. I'm actually afraid to open this last box because I really, really hope they gave me the chocolate mint one. Oh yes, I got it. I'm so excited. I don't even care that they goofed anymore. Which one didn't I get? I think it was the Snowdrift one. That's fine. Hot chocolate ignites mint and tonka. This is the one I was waiting for. Although now it looks like Bath & Body Works might be doing hot cocoa and cream, which is really exciting. So frost melt, fresh mint, and chocolate. I'm going to spray this one on and do a little first impression here. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I gotta say, like I tried the cream in the store. This smells just like fresh mint and chocolate. It's actually really, really good. Is it the same as Christmas cocoa and mint? Let me spray a little of this on. It's similar. Oh my gosh, it's totally similar. I actually think this is a little bit more dark chocolate, and this one has a little bit more mint. You know what it smells like? It smells like one of those like Andes mints. I like this a lot. Oh my goodness, I am excited. I gotta get the cream. So I'm going to get the cream. I'm going to do a full review on this one, see if it's got any lasting power. But first impression, yay. I'm so happy they gave me this one instead of the pink one. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited about this entire collection. I'm getting the pink one. And I'm going to do some more reviews on these. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have the Freshman, let me know what you think. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.